Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is Stonecaster here. Today it's Thursday, February 11th, 2016, a little after 5. And I'll spend a couple minutes of your time explaining on the potential accumulating snow on Sunday night, Sunday through Monday morning. So let's get this video started. What you see in this batch of light snow showers will be our next possible light accumulating snow for central Indiana on Friday. Not a whole lot of precipitation with this system. We would be even lucky if we get even maybe a half an inch to an inch of snow somewhere in central Indiana on Friday, but our main weather maker won't be here until Sunday, so let's put the forecast model into motion. Let's fast forward to the system that will be making its way through central Indiana late this weekend. It's not wanting to work for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. Here's the area of low pressure that will be bringing us the chances of accumulating snow through central Indiana. As of right now, this has the potential for giving us the biggest snowfall of the winter season so far in central Indiana. I can't say how much snow is going to fall. My best estimate is 3 to 4 inches of snow. Maybe I may be off on that. That's just my best guess, but all I know is there's a good chance for a decent amount of snow that will be coming to central Indiana on Sunday. It appears that the heaviest of snow will develop in around central and southern Indiana. This area of low pressure will start to dive south and move more towards this direction. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, my bad for that. I just had to do something very quick. As I was saying, this area of low pressure, by the way, there won't be a whole lot of wind with this system. There will be some wind, but no blizzard conditions expected. So you don't have to worry about that. The only thing that you have to worry about is potentially snow-covered roads, slick spots. That's the only thing that you have to watch out for. And on Monday morning, there could very well possibly be school delays and maybe some cancellations depending on how much snow will fall. So let's put this GFS model into motion, see what this area of low pressure will bring us. Well, miscorrected. I thought it was gonna dive sharply south, more like this, but it kind of moves a tad back and forth, and then it finally starts diving in North Dakota. This is not one to work with me. Here's the weather maker, the accumulating snow that will come through on Sunday and into Monday morning. Timing on the snow: Sunday mainly after 1 p.m. and lasting through Monday morning. There still could be a lot of changes, so I'll pretty much keep you updated on that. To be sure to follow me on Twitter, Stormcast95, to keep up with the latest updates that I will be posting as I get new information. Like I said, it's kind of hard to tell you how much snow is going to fall since we're still a couple days out. So I'm pretty sure that I'll have the potential snowfall accumulations out either on Saturday or Sunday. So thank you for watching. I have more updates. Be sure to follow me on Twitter, Stormcast95. When the system rolls through, watch out for snow-covered roads and slick spots, and possibly some school delays or few cancellations depending on how much snow will fall. Stormcaster signing off.